All right, here we go.
All right.
Glove on. Step to the right a little bit more so you're in the view.
Well, I'm trying to not get brassed here.
All right, so I'll step back a little bit more. My brass kicked out that way. And that
All right. Just don't fucking shoot me. All right. I'll count us down.
Yep.
All right.
This is a 30-round burn. Oh, hang on. I had 31 rounds loaded up.
Ah, nice.
Give me a second. Put that in my pocket. Yep, 30 rounds.
Okay. Okay.
You cock blocked and ready to rock?
Yep.
All right.
On 3. 1, 2, 3. Shit, you run a lot faster than me.
Oh, you still had a round left.